Hello traders, this is Chinmay from Trading Cafe India. Well guys, every trader wants to enter at a particular stage where the market will start moving in their direction and they will be having the minimum losses. Yes guys, I'm talking about the breakouts and everyone wants to get in along with the perfect breakout. But unfortunately, most of the traders have failed to catch the perfect breakout and get the maximum result out of it. In this video, I'm going to talk about in detail concepts about the consolidation and breakout. So a beginner will get the perfect idea and the advanced techniques where we can find the nice breakout. So an intermediate trader will definitely find the valuable content out of it. So guys, this particular video is going to divide into three parts. One, it is actually about the market structure. I'm going to talk about the different structures that are forming in the market and the opportunities behind it. Again, in the second part, we are going to talk about the different type of consolidations and how to identify the perfect consolidations. And the last part is about the breakouts. So yes guys, we are going to talk about in detail about the perfect breakouts and I'm going to talk about the failed breakouts as well, as many traders actually get trapped along with the fake breakout. Well, this video is going to be a little lengthy but definitely worth watching entire video, as it actually going to help you to understand how to enter in the market at a perfect time and get the maximum benefit out of it. Well, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, at the beginning only you need to understand how exactly market works. Well, the market actually works along with the different phases. So what are these phases? Understand, whenever markets start moving, it actually goes along with some of the patterns. Now, you need to understand this pattern and the places. If you are getting it perfectly, definitely the next move will actually create a nice opportunity. So whenever market moves upside, it actually moves to catch all the perfect benefits, and once the buyers actually get everything out of that, they start distributing their stuff. That means they will start doing the distribution phase, and this particular distribution phases are actually holds a little time in that particular zone where the market will go a little sideways. Now you need to understand this particular sideways concepts are nothing but pure accumulation and distribution. Once this particular process is done, market will start showing you the trend reversal. Now what we are having first, we can understand about the distribution phases equally, and similarly we can understand at one particular phase market will again start going into the consolidation where the people will find majority of the time the value very attractive and then they will start accumulating the stuff. Now in that particular phases, majority of the players are actually silently moving into the stock, and then after we get a nice reversal. So this particular accumulation and distribution phases are going throughout the time, and this cycle is repeating again and again. Well, along with this particular move, we need to understand where exactly this consolidation is happening. Well, other than pure consolidation, that is accumulation and distribution, there are another phases where we can actually understand the continuation. These are nothing but the reaccumulation and redistribution. So now I will show you the chart where we can actually get more explanation. Now guys, whenever market comes down at one particular point, it actually creates a very attractive valuation, and then majority of the player will start thinking about grabbing that opportunity. Now guys, whenever silent accumulation happens, it actually comes along with a nice accumulation zone, and it is nothing but a nice consolidation. Can you see on the chart here? A very thin range form. It is nothing but a very contracted area where the market participants were silently buying and they were not allowing price to go further down. And now whenever a meaningful accumulation happens, then the market will start moving in that particular desired direction. Now you need to understand guys, whenever this particular phases come here, like this one as a accumulation phase, and then this particular zone where the buyers have done their part and they are booking the profit, market will start coming very rapidly down. These are nothing but the pure accumulation and distribution phases. Now, the money is not made along with this accumulation and distribution phases. The money is made exactly near this particular trending move. These are nothing but markup and markdown phases. Now guys, these are the actual moves we need to catch and make the best out of it. Again, if the markets are moving along with the meaningful consolidation, you will get the meaningful moves out of it. So we need to understand which particular phases are actually creating the opportunities. So let's understand deep dive into this particular consolidation zone. So other than pure accumulation and distribution, there are some sub phases. We call them re-accumulation and redistribution. Understand, here people have already shorted the stock and it started its downward journey. In midway, those players who want to actually book the profit, they book the profit, and then the re-entry happens of the fresh sellers, where After getting a nice breakdown, we get another confirmation that yes, the trend is intact and it is going to give you a nice follow through move. Now, let's understand about the reaccumulation phases. Now, similarly, whenever markets start moving in the up direction, there's one point where the short-term players think that enough profit we have generated and they get out of the system. Understand, if the breakout happened for the major time frame, that is, say daily time frame, and you are an intraday trader, maybe after a day you will start booking your profit. But the players who actually want to grab the entire opportunity and they want to ride that market throughout that particular level, what they will do? They actually want to grab your selling opportunities, and where the market will start showing you another consolidation zone. And then after getting a nice breakout will actually gives us a nice confirmation that the price is ready to give us another follow-up move. Now, these are the actual redistribution and reaccumulation phases. So, after understanding the market structure, the accumulation, distribution and redistribution accumulation phases, let's understand how actually they look like and then which particular zones we need to focus more. Now guys, one of the common pattern that we found along with the consolidation is triangles. Well, generally triangles are the one I like to trade very much. Again, what we are having here, see here, we are having two trend lines where majority of the time the price is taking support at that one particular trend line. Again, on the downside also, it is taking multiple time confirmation that yes, price is intact in that particular zone and it started squeezing. Now, what do you mean by squeezing? Again, there's a concept called VCP. It's nothing but volatility contraction pattern. Now, understand this move. Before that, here it was a huge move and then gradually it started contracting exactly like spring. Now understand, if I'm holding a spring and that too for a prolonged period, and as soon as I release, what will happen? It will expand rapidly, and that is what exactly happening along with the price. So as soon as the breakout will happen near the apex zone, it will start moving very rapidly, and this is where exactly we are going to find our nice opportunities. So other than symmetrical triangle, there are some ascending and descending triangles which actually creates a directional opportunity where the symmetrical triangle can break either side. It may go upside or downside. Generally, triangles are the continuation pattern. So let's understand about the ascending and descending triangles. Now guys, the second consolidation pattern that we are looking into the triangle is ascending triangle. Understand, when the market start moving in one particular direction, it's an up direction, and then multiple time it is taking the resistance exactly in that one particular zone. Now, this particular resistance will become weak as it is going to test again and again. Now understand, in this particular zone, so many times the testing happened. What will happen to that resistance? It become weak, and then at one particular nice point, it actually gives us the confirmation that yes, majority of the buyers have done their work in that particular zone where people were seller, but more aggression happened from the buyers, and we are getting a confirmation and then a nice rally out of it. These are the ascending triangles. So similarly, we also find a nice opportunity along with the descending triangle where the price actually start trying to break one particular zone, but it is not able to, and then we are also getting a kind of lower highs. Well, it's a kind of consolidation where we can find our opportunities. With my experience, I can tell you the descending triangle works very best and they gives us a quick result out of it. And as soon as a breakdown will happen, what will happen? Now, whoever is trying to find the buying opportunity in that particular consolidation zone, they are perfectly trapped, and along with the panic, they will start exiting their position where we can find our nice unwinding opportunity and a nice trade out of that. So guys, other than triangles, there's another one good opportunity you can find along with the consolidation. It is along with the rectangle consolidation. Now understand, at point when the market actually start moving in one particular zone, we know neither buyer nor the sellers have the commanding position in the market, and what they are doing, they are actually doing a range bound trading where I'm getting multiple time similar highs and multiple time similar low. Whenever a strong breakout happens, the price will start moving in that particular desired direction. Now understand, this particular consolidations can be traded in two ways. If you're a small time frame trader and you're finding a nice opportunity, say on 1 hour time frame, what you will do? On 15-minute time frame, you can find the patterns near this particular support and resistances, and on 5-minute time frame, you may go for the execution. And now, whenever a final breakout will happen, and that too along with the hourly time frame, you can definitely go for what? a breakout trade. Well, I hope guys in this particular video you got a clarity about the different market phases, and in those phases how exactly we can get the consolidation. Well, these consolidations are come up with the pattern formation, and these are nothing but the triangle formations. And in triangle formation we have learned about the symmetrical triangle, ascending triangle and descending triangle. Well, similar way, we also understood in this particular consolidation, we can also find the opportunities along with the rectangular zone where the market will go sideways, and we can find our opportunities for the short time frame and the long time frame. In next video, I'm going to talk in detail about the different breakout patterns where we can find our nice breakout opportunities, and we can also neglect all those fake breakouts so that we cannot get the trapping at the highest point. I hope guys you're getting the valuable knowledge in this particular video. If this is the thing, definitely in the further video I'm going to talk in detail about the breakouts, and I'm also going to talk about how to utilize them along with the swing opportunities and along with the intraday opportunities. I hope this particular video series is actually helping you to learn more about the price action, and if this is the thing, do like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.